Let's talk about it. Do you think no matter how good you target on your Facebook Ads Manager, your audience are still going out of the places that you're targeting? It possibly means you're not placing the audience targeting in the right way. So in this video, let's check about how you can confine your audience only to a specific demography so that you don't really let your Facebook Ads Manager go beyond the locations you wanted to service. Okay? So with this, let's get started with our screen sharing. So here I am opening my ads manager. So let me zoom it out a little for you so that you have better clarity. So here if you see, we are inside our ads manager. So as you are on ads manager, go to business settings, okay? So as you click on business settings, you will be taken to the main settings page. But you cannot find the setting here, right? So click on the hamburger icon where you can find the ad account setting. So as you go inside the ad account setting, this is where I want you to focus specifically on one thing, which is your audience control. So this is where you can specifically control which locations your ads are visible in. So click on audience control and click my business can advertise only in specific locations, and here search for those locations. So let's say you wanted to target only in specific country. Let's say for example you wanted to target only on United States and you do not want to go anywhere else. So click on United States and review changes. So once you click on review changes, so you will have some conditions that are here, but let's say that's okay, right? You just click on apply and you are done. So now your audience are clearly set and your ads will be shown only in this specific country. Feel free to eliminate this and change as your demand changes. This is exactly how you ensure your ads account does not show your ads to anywhere outside of the target that you have set. Trust me when I say this, Ads Manager is merely a tool. If you cannot operate it in the right way, learn how to operate it in the right way and do not blame the platform or do not say it's not working for you. So if you want to see more videos like this on how you can target the right audience and also learn a lot more about B2B sales and marketing, I am Saranyanarayana Moorthy and I post videos every single week to keep you updated on how you can leverage digital strategies and digital platforms to get the most for your business. So with that being said, like the video, comment on what your key takeaways are and follow for more.